Well, Richard's staring at an EP3.
Staring at it?
Yeah.
What, lovingly?
Lovingly. Should we explain what we're doing?
Well, it's got no wheels.
Okay, Rich, so why hasn't it got any wheels, eh, mate?
Well, the wheels have gone round to Keith's paint shop because a lot of people didn't necessarily like the silver, and we, to be fair...
Against the grey.
Against the grey. We decided we would like to do the same grey as the side skirts and everything to tie everything in. So the tyres have been taken off, the wheels have gone next door to Keith, so he's going to be doing that. There's tyres.
And in the meantime?
In the meantime, we fitted tying coilovers.
Very nice, very nice.
Which we've done. I fitted camber bolts on the front, lower arm bushes, bottom ball joints, anti-roll bar links, quite a few bits and bobs throughout. Rear camber arms, and obviously rear coilovers. The exhaust and stuff was already on it, although it is new. Something I did when
because it hasn't really moved since, has it?
No, when I bought the car originally, we put an exhaust on it and did disc and pads all round on it, rear calipers on it, a few bits and bobs, like for the MOT work basically, and it sort of sat up the corner. But it's lovely and clean underneath, and it's looking nice now. It's
certainly is.
Nice on its lows.
It certainly is.
Get the wheels and tyres back on early next week, and then hopefully we can get the decals sorted for the rear windows, and Uncle Keith can be driving around in this old girl.
Awesome. Good morning. Loving you sure make me feel like loving you.
I'm just gonna spend all day rubbing these wheels, okay?
Yeah.
No.
These are for the EP3, aren't they?
EP3.
EP3. We can have music on in this video, mate, because this is going to be members only, this video.
Oh, right, okay, mate. So.
Yeah, so you can say cunt foot piss flaps if you want.
Oh, yeah. Fuck off. Fucking shit wheels.
Fuck it, what a load of shit.
Fucking, what a shit job on a Saturday.
I know, yeah. Why are you here on a Saturday? you know you're not getting paid, don't you?
I'm having Monday off.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you are. Sorry. Yeah, all right, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. Tis your paint shop, you do what you want, mate.
That's what the boss said.
That's what the boss said. So your EP3 wheels, they're going grey, as we said, to match the body kit, I think.
Yeah, they come with the body kit. I think it'll tie in nice then.
They've had a little bit of a taste, didn't they?
Yeah, they've been corroded around the middle holes.
Oh, you got a corroded hole.
Yeah. So we've shot blasted down, we've cleaned them all out. Yeah, we've got some nice paint today.
Yeah. Yeah, we're starting to do a few more members only videos, and the reason for that, Keith, is that the guys that are fans, the guys that send you biscuits, my friend, they actually pay like £2.99 a month to support us. So we're going to give them some content that's just for them.
Yeah.
And this is one of them. We're going to do a...
I bought my Speedos, so when I paint these later...
You'll be in your pants.
We'll set it up in there, that's... subscribers only.
Members only comments below. If you want to see Keith in his...
You won't want to see that.
If you want to see Keith in his budgie smugglers, let's do it. Let's do it. There's no reason why we're not doing a calendar. There's three of us now, so there's 6 testicles. So that's 6 months covered, isn't it?
Yeah. You're on it.
We're on it. Yeah.
And so, you rope in a few volunteers, don't we?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we can get KA Jason and limited edition Gary.
Yeah.
There's another 4 balls. Well, apparently. Yeah, it'd be amazing. So we're going to do a bit of FN2 next week, I'm told.
Yeah, I'd have thought that was coming up.
Yeah, so I've got... What I think I'm going to do, though, is...
You having the windscreen out?
Oh, we're going to try and get the windscreen out, but there's a lot to do otherwise. I've noticed that virtually every single panel on the car needs a bit of a taste. Yeah. So I'm wondering whether to just treat it like a full hit. Yeah. That's what I think I'm going to do. Treat it like a full hit. Even if we just get like the bits prepped that are going to need to be done, I don't think the car's going to go anywhere in the meantime. Yeah. So I think it could just sit around in a bit of primer if it needs to. I might swap the grille out for a carbon Mugen one. So we might not have to do anything with the chromy bits. We'll just get the white done. It doesn't. Yeah. So I think what I'm saying is, if I get hold of a it's like a fake Mugen, but it's carbon fibre one. At least that way we can maybe bond it in, because everything's going to be off proper. Yeah. So yeah. That's my plan, because also coming up on the FN2 is cams and timing chain. I don't think we have to have the front bumper off or anything for that. So once it's on, it can stay on, can't it? Yeah. These are very smooth. Yeah, I'm doing my bit there. Look, I'm doing my bit.
That one's ready for, well, you clean that down and that's probably about ready. The other chalks
need a bit.
Yeah. These are not far off, and then they'll come onto the bench. We'll sand them up.
Yeah. It does look a little bit like you're working off a pallet. I know we've only just opened and we've not quite got everything that we want right now, but that looks a little bit like a pallet on a trestle.
Even if you had everything, that's still a good piece of equipment, because that's the trestle, and that's there, and I can stand 2 wheels on it.
Yeah, okay, mate, okay.
I don't think it's
humble, I like it.
It's a rough way.
We don't need a bigger investment then, though, I guess. I tell you what we will do next week. Again, this is for the... yeah, I like a bit of wood. Nice, like strong like wood. What we will do next week for the... well, I'm only saying this because this is a members only video. Is we will show the YouTube channel how you use the paint scheme.
Yeah.
Because that's quite a nice process, which is in there, and I'm gonna learn that myself at the same time.
We can scan the colour.
Yeah.
See how it pulls it up.
Yeah.
And then see how we mix the colour.
I think we'll probably maybe try and wait until there's something in that's a nice colour.
Yeah.
So that you can show the whole process of how it selects the paint and the stuff in there.
And
so
yeah,
I think that'd be a great video. Okay, Keefy, well, we shall check back when these have got some paint on, so give us a shout.
Yeah, come about 7 PM tonight.
Is that how long it's going to take?
No, I don't.
Do you think there'll be some paint on them today?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, okay.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, brilliant.
Rubbing them up is time consuming and horrible.
Yeah.
The actual hanging them up.
You want a kid in here doing this, mate?
Yeah.
Does anyone want a job?
Should we just go out there and just grab one?
Just grab one. Yeah. Kid goes missing in the meeting.
This isn't too bad.
Return 3 months later covered in filler dust.
If you do 3 or 4 sets one after another, it gets a bit... Yeah. But doing one set at a time is not too bad.
Hey, did you hear about the slogan that I found?
No.
It's an Aristotle quote.
Right.
And it's pleasure in the job makes perfection in the work.
Oh.
I like it.
Yeah.
I do like it. Pleasure in the job makes perfection in the work. So, yeah, I think that's a good one. I do. But anyway, right, let's get back to it. We'll see you in a bit for a...
I always say, if you need a touch-up...
Uncle Keith will touch you up.
No.
No, I know. That's why we can't use that one. It's nice, but it's not quite right.
I think we can still say, though, if you need...
If you need...
The car needs a touch-up. You just got to word it.
I got touched up at Uncle Keith's.
No, you can't. No, see, that's what you can't.
You can't say that.
You shouldn't say.
No. I like it.
If your car needs a touch-up.
If your car needs a touch-up, Keith will rub it. Keith will touch your car. That's it. It's like that. Right, I am going to come back to you at lunch. See you in a bit. Hi, Keith. They're looking good, mate. Oh, these are starting to look good, Keith.
Right. Can you say I'll give us all that? No, you must be that Civic Ep3. Tilted us a lot,
Yeah. They look lovely, mate.
Refurb look nice, don't they?
Yeah, you've done well there, mate. Yeah, look.
Shiny on in a minute.
Put some shiny on, yeah.
Shiny.
Very good, very good. Well, there we go. The EP3 is complete. Now, there's a few stickers to go on the wheels, etc. But we've managed to paint these grey, Keith. Yep. Now, remind me, it's not cosmic grey, that's a Ford grey, isn't it?
It's magnetic grey.
Magnetic grey.
Just because it's got a lot more sparkle in it, so when the sun comes out and it pops, there's a lot more sparkle.
Oh, I like a bit of poppy sparkle, mate. Yeah, well, that's looking mint, mate.
Red H in the middle of the red H sticker in the middle of the wheel.
Yeah.
Finish it off for me. I think it just looks like there's something missing without the sticker in the middle, but we'll get there.
We'll get it on.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good work, Keith.
You can't be on there.
It's a fly. No, he's ruined it. He's in the video. His code word for this video is fly. Because he's in the video. But there we go, that's another video done. This is one that's flicked between Uncle Keith's paint shop and Dynodaze custom works in there. So give us a shout out, share this video if you get a chance. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Keith?
We will, and hopefully you'll see this on the road in the near future.
At some shows, I hope.
If we get time.
If you get time, because you've got a lot to do, ain't you, mate?
So what keeps bringing Hondas in?
Get back in there.
Sorry.
You get back in there.
Sorry, Bob.
See you later, dude.